Dear students, in the last lecture we have seen a topic that is viscosity. In today's session we have to see about the concept of Stokes' law, which is related to the viscosity. So before studying the Stokes' law, I want to clear your idea. Suppose you have taken such type of beaker or container. In that beaker or container, we have to take a viscous liquid, that viscous liquid having such type of different layers. This one is a viscous liquid, and as you have taken a viscous liquid like glycerine, viscous means थोड़ा गाढ़ा liquid जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं. So in that viscous liquid, suppose I have thrown this metallic ball which is going inside it. As this metal ball is thrown and it is in between the layers of that viscous liquid, a force acting on the ball is nothing but F. According to the scientist Stokes suggested that the force acting on the ball is directly proportional to coefficient of viscosity eta. Viscous liquid का coefficient of viscosity eta. It is proportional to radius of metallic body, that is what r, and terminal velocity of the ball, that is what v. So F equals to, if you remove this proportionality, a constant 6 pi is used. So F equal to 6 pi eta rv, and this is nothing but the Stokes' law. So the statement of Stokes' law is what? That is, the force acting is proportional to coefficient of viscosity, proportional to radius of metallic ball, proportional to the velocity of that ball, and this is nothing but the Stokes' law. F equal to 6 pi eta rv, and this will be asked you in the exam for what? 3 marks. Okay. So state the Stokes' law and explain it by using the various dimensions that question may be asked. So you have to prove that this equation F equals to 6 pi eta rv is dimensionally correct. In order to prove that, you have two sides, left hand side and this one is right hand side. So LHS and RHS I want to prove dimensionally correct. Write down the dimensions of force. The dimensions of force are M1, L1, and this one is T minus 2 is equal to 6 pi as it is. You have to write here the dimension of viscosity, coefficient of viscosity eta. You know the dimensions of coefficient of viscosity eta are nothing but M1, L minus 1 and T minus 1. So I write here M1, L minus 1, T minus 1 raised to the power A. R means distance. Its dimensions are L1 and it's raised to the power B. Then V, dimensions of V are M0, L1, T minus 1 and it's raised to the power I can take C. Now solid, that is M1, L1, T minus 2, left hand side as it is. इकडची साइड अशीच्या अशीच ठेवायची. Now solid, what happens? 1 into A, that you give M raised to the power A, minus 1 into A, that is L raised to the power minus A, T raised to the power minus A, L1 into B, that is L raised to the power B, and again add here M0 into C is 0, then later on 1 into C, that is LC, minus 1 into C, that is T raised to the power minus C it is. So here 6 pi is constant. Now this power is A, M का power A है और इधर M का power 0 है, ऐड करूँ इनको तो A plus 0 power is A. Now L minus A, B and here C, so minus A plus B plus C, this is the power of L. T t having a power minus a and minus c, and in this way on the left hand side there is m1 l1 and this one is t minus 2. Now compare the powers. m का पावर इधर 1 है और राइट हैंड साइड में m का पावर a है, तो 1 एंड a बेसिस आर सेम, सो a की वैल्यू आ गई a इज इक्वल्स टू 1. l का पावर इधर 1 है और इधर माइनस a प्लस b प्लस c है, इसलिए माइनस a प्लस b प्लस c और इधर l का पावर 1 था इज इक्वल्स टू 1 करना. t चा पावर इथे माइनस 2 आहे, देअरफॉर इट इज माइनस 2 आणि या साईडला माइनस a माइनस c, देअरफॉर माइनस a माइनस c इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 करायचं. कम्पेअर केले लेफ्ट अँड राईट साईडचे पावर्स. a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 पुट हियर, सो वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 1 माइनस c इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2. सो c को इधर लेके जाओ और माइनस 2 को इधर लाओ, c इधर जाएगा, माइनस 2 इधर आके प्लस होगा, 2 से 1 जाएगा तो 1 आएगा, इसलिए c का भी वैल्यू आ गया 1, a का भी वैल्यू 1. ये वैल्यूज़ यहाँ पे रख दो. a की वैल्यू 1 थी, b का वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं था, c का वैल्यू भी 1 आया है इज इक्वल्स टू 1. माइनस 1 प्लस 1 कैंसल, तो b की भी वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 1. a1 b1 c1 all these values, a1 this is the power of a, this is the power of b and this is the power of c. a का वैल्यू 1, b का वैल्यू 1, c का वैल्यू 1, तो पावर 1 मतलब वही रहता है, इसलिए f इक्वल टू 6 पाई ईटा आर वी, ये प्रूव हो गया. सो दिस क्वेश्चन मे बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम टू प्रूव स्टोक्स लॉ डायमेंशनली करेक्ट और नॉट, देन यू हैव टू राइट दिस वन. देखो आज के इस सेशन में अपन ने क्या देखा है, स्टोक्स लॉ. व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ स्टोक्स लॉ? अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टोक्स, the force acting on the metallic ball whenever it is in viscous fluid, what happens, that force is proportional to coefficient of viscosity, it is directly proportional to radius, it is directly proportional to velocity. It means f equal to 6 pi is a constant part, 6 pi eta r v, that is the Stokes law. Then we prove it dimensionally correct or not. So we have taken the dimensions of eta r and v, a, b and c like this, and we try to prove this. Okay, so this is about the what Stokes law of viscosity. अगले सेशन में अपन पढ़ेंगे terminal velocity. The expression for 7 marks may be asked in the exam. Okay, thank you.